This is a spreadsheet, and before I share the information on this spreadsheet, allow me to share a comment that was left on one of our recent YouTube videos. It says, I would like to see a least popular mix based on your internet sales. So you take the least popular base color and the least popular color shifter pearl with the least popular top coat and see what you get. Thank you, VDG Life, for the idea. Once we read this, we knew we had to do it. And we want to do it right. So we went straight to the Shopify Plus backend, and I have for you the sales statistics on the least popular base, pearl, and top coat that we have here at DipYourCar for 2024. The least popular base color is frosted pear. That is what is on the Evo right now. And if I may, I don't know how this ended up being the least popular. I know we don't see a lot of cars sprayed in it, but it is an awesome color. It's green with like a blue highlight pearl effect to it. How is that the least popular?
I have no idea.
So that's already down on the car for the sake of time. The least popular pearl in 2024 was GD10 Alien Pearl. You guys know I hate this pearl. I dug a little bit deeper. We have never, since 2013, when we introduced pearls, sold a GD10 car kit. I know people use it for some crafts and some fishing and stuff, but GD10 is our least popular pearl. It is like a rosy pink to gold, very large particle interference pearl. And for our least popular top coat, now we could have gone a couple different ways with this. We could have said out of glossy, satin, and frozen, frozen is the least popular and ran with that. But that's not what the data says. Technically, the least popular selling top coat that we have in the top coat collection is gold metallizer. We didn't have to do this, but we want it to be true to the nature of the request. So what we're doing today is GD10 Alien Pearl mixed into gold metallizer going over frosted pear. Gabe, thoughts?
I'm actually really excited.
Really?
Yeah.
Dude, this could be the most obnoxious mess we've ever made. I mean, look, oh my God. All right. Gold metallizer has, it's basically the old glossifier top coat formula with a ton of very, very small gold metallic. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see this, but just for the sake of it, look how much gold metallic. I don't even know if you're gonna be able to see the GD10. So here's the gold metallizer. Look at how gold that is. This is not a subtle gold effect. But it's okay. It's too late to turn back now. Is it? Okay. Now, we're going to go with 25 grams a gallon of GD10. Now, allow me to waste a little bit of your time and show you the GD10 Pearl. Just look at that. It is incredibly sparkly. It is pinkish rose with like a low saturation gold. Okay, it's not my favorite. 25 grams per gallon going in. I have no idea if we're even going to be able to see it. Oh boy. And how, not only do we have this concoction, but this going over frosted pear. I don't know. You guys asked for it. You want to see it. I know people are getting excited about it. So we're going to do it. Okay, let's just see what the stick of truth has to say. It just kind of made it a little silvery. You're seeing rose gold, pinkish, reddish?
Yeah, well, you're getting the silver from the white powder of the pearl.
Yeah. Okay, let's see if you can even see anything here. The old stick of truth. Oh, crap. There is a little bit of red on there. All right, hold on. You got a little of this going on, a little of this going on. There's actually a reddish to gold shift. Give you a little more there. Okay. There's a little glimmer of hope there. Now, this going over that, do you even think the blue effect is going to play a role here?
I have no idea.
Doesn't matter, does it? All right, so what are we doing? GD10 gold metallizer frosted pear. You ready? Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project, and one thing is for sure, we never would have done this color combination if it wasn't suggested by a viewer. So if you ever have an idea for us, do not hesitate to put it in the comments, because we do read them, and you never know, it could be our next video. We're gonna take it outside right now, and you guys know what to do. Take a good look at it, leave a comment below, and rate it for us 1 through 5. Let us know if you love it or if you don't. And if you want to change the color of your emblems, your wheels, or your whole car, head straight to DipYourCar.com. We have a ton of kits, a ton of colors, and they're all DIY friendly. Gabe and I had a blast on this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. We'll see you on the next one.